Overnight, South Carolina health leaders releasing their recommendations for schools this fall. They say all students and teachers should wear masks. Desks should be at least 3 feet apart. State leaders also say schools should do routine COVID testing. Wake Up Charlotte's Richard Devane live now in South Carolina. And Richard, here's the thing, and this has been the case in much of this pandemic. You've got health folks saying one thing. You have state leaders saying another thing. You have teachers saying something else. And we should say, despite all these recommendations, state law in South Carolina doesn't allow schools to require masks.
Absolutely correct, Ben. Good morning to you. Good Thursday morning, everyone. That's basically because of an agreement that was the state legislature signed with this recent budget that prohibits school districts from enforcing mask wearing inside of school buildings, ultimately leaving that decision up to parents.
Disease activity is surging now at alarming levels.
DHEC now urging schools to return to wearing masks in classrooms and anywhere inside buildings and on school buses. They also want teachers, staff, and students to continue to social distance whenever possible. But there's conflicts with some of these guidelines. Wednesday, Government Master pointed to recent legislation when he tweeted, "State law now prohibits school administrators from requiring students to wear a mask. The General Assembly agreed with me, and that decision is now left up to parents." DHEC acknowledges that mask use cannot be mandated per the South Carolina General Assembly, but says it provides the guidance for teachers, staff, and parents in hopes that schools will take these recommendations anyway.
I hope the school year will look like is that our students, our staff, and visitors to the schools will adopt the recommendations.
Since the start of the pandemic in South Carolina, some 19,000 school-aged children have gotten COVID-19.